I was fitting this tenon into a mortise this morning, and I caught the corner of my shoulder plane and almost cracked this corner off. So I thought I would show you how I use dental floss and masking tape to make a repair. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue along the crack. Maybe a whole lot of glue, depending on how you look at it. And I got some dental floss here. This is not a sponsored video. Doesn't matter which brand of dental floss you use. So I'm going to use this floss to wick the glue and pull it down into the groove. Just go back and forth as I draw the floss through the opening. And now that when I push on it, you can see the glue has started to come all the way through. And you just do this until you feel like you've got enough in there. Pull it all the way through. All right, now I'm going to wipe the extra off. And I'm going to use a little masking tape to hold this down until the glue has had a chance to set up. And I'm stretching this stuff pretty hard. If there's any squeeze out under here, I will fix that. I'll just scrape it off after it dries.